What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Michi Season. We back with another one, man. Shit, today we finna react to the live PD Teens Steal a Bulldozer. So we finna check this shit out, man. Let's check it out. Let's go.
So right now we're responding to a call of a stolen bulldozer by several juveniles, and they appear to be currently driving it through the Target parking lot, crashing into walls.
They stole a bulldozer and they crashing it. What the hell?
So right now it sounds like the juveniles just abandoned the bulldozer and
They
are
hopped
running.
out, they bailed out. What was they thinking?
2-3, trying to stop them, San Juan Grade and Lowe's.
San Juan Grade and Lowe's.
12.
Hey, sit down on the curb.
Them.
We'll talk about it. Drop your bikes. Sit down on the curb.
Your bikes. Can we go up and go with him?
Yeah, just make sure when they sit down, you go with him.
Now,
yeah.
My mama.
Sit down.
Sit down, boy.
Saw the other one keep riding.
His homie pulling up this way.
I have 4 of them stopped. Another one fled northbound San Juan Grade. Abrazini is going after him.
I ain't gonna lie. Like, no cap, man. Like, I really realized there's no point in fleeing the scene. If 12 has you, bro, you just gotta put your hands up at that point, bro. Cause running, bro, that shit gonna make it 10 times worse. And then if one of your homies don't run, shit, you putting them in a situation where shit, they finna get booked cause they ain't finna tell on you, shit. Like, it ain't even worth it, cool, honestly. But shit, it is what it is, man.
Sit down on the curb, man.
He hopped out. He said, "What's going on?"
Frank T, I'm out with him. Taft at Van Buren.
Everything good?
Compliant. You know I'm here.
Said everything
right?
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said,
Hands behind your
"Yeah."
back.
We gonna tell on yourself.
No weapons on. Stay seated. Stay seated.
Yeah, you're being arrested.
You're being detained.
Arrested?
You're being detained.
Oh, okay. I understand that.
You better understand it,
I'm
buddy.
taking you back to your buddies.
Alright. The bike?
I'll put it. I'll take it with me.
Alright.
How old are you?
18.
Boy, that bike.
Yeah, I
You
was
can't
trying
ride
to,
that in the
hope
county,
you
my
guys wouldn't
friend.
pull me over, and then I heard you racing behind me. I was like, oh, shit.
Gotcha.
Obviously, I'm not going to try to outrun you guys. That's stupid.
Nigga, you did
What
run.
I kind of want to know, man, is who was actually messing with the tractor back there, the
Who finna
bulldozer.
snitch?
You know how that is, man.
Just riding bikes, and then you guys decided to do what you did. How'd you guys get it started?
The key was in it, dude.
Key was in it.
Like, the way we saw it
What is the
like,
point?
we're like, oh, do like a bulldozer, like, we could around and, like, have some fun with it for a minute, and then, like, we didn't think, like, we'd get in trouble for it, because like, we
You
didn't do any
didn't.
damage.
You did do
You know what I mean?
damage.
So you know it struck a wall back there, right? Caused some damage.
Now there's
You know that?
damage.
Believe so.
All right,
You
man.
said
Stay on that
maybe
for me.
so, and you're just gonna keep telling on
Drive him
yourself.
over to Adams, and then we'll do the rest of our stuff over there. I just want to get his initial statement.
You gotta drive me to the other kids.
Yep.
But don't worry about your homies, boy. You 18, my friend.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm having in my life. I was all like, I'm gonna relieve a little bit of stress.
he
You know
just
what I mean?
said-
Like,
There's way
Epic.
safer ways that doesn't hurt other people,
The
right?
little ass, tight ass brim hat on his head.
honestly, I ride my bike to
Cutting off the
stress.
circulation. He can't
Yeah.
think.
Cut my ankle pretty bad, and I haven't really been
Nigga,
able to do
18
tricks.
doing stupid shit like this.
So it sounds like all
get it.
4 juveniles and the 18-year-old were identified as being
He was
involved in the
4
vehicle
juveniles.
theft.
He
Right
the
now, it
only
sounds
one
like the
going to the
witnesses
county.
identified the 18-year-old and one of the 15-year-olds as the people who actually drove the Bobcat.
I found this key in your pocket. Is it the key to the tractor?
I totally forgot I had that when you guys
He
were
had the
pushing
key
me. I
in
would have told you.
Okay. All right, just hang tight, dude. No problem.
The man had the key in his pocket the whole time. Man. At this point, this man, he don't need a court date. Just set him in a cell, man. Just, I don't know what they gonna do with this man. Honestly, he's stupid.
We'll cut the non-drivers away to their parents, and the 18-year-old is going to be transported to Monterey County Jail for vehicle theft charges, and the 15-year-old will most likely be released to a parent with a ticket for vehicle theft as well.
They get released. Alright, YouTube, man. Well, that's it for today's video, man. Shit. Like I said, man, if you don't do stupid shit, what was the point of doing that, honestly? Stealing a bulldozer. 118-year-old hanging with kids. Like, bro, what are you doing? But, man, we out, YouTube. I'll upload soon, man. Just stay soon, man. Hit the bell. Be ready. Like, subscribe, everything. Comment. You dig? We out.